Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my monthly favorites. And honestly, the title explains itself, so let's just jump in and get started. So my first monthly favorite is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. It's the foundation I'm wearing right now. I do have it mixed with another, but honestly I just like this foundation. It's a very natural finish. It does last a very long time, and aside from the color, because I think the color is a little warm for me, I really enjoy this foundation. This foundation is just a good foundation. Next thing I have is the Fenty Beauty How Many Carats highlighter. So this highlighter is basically just glitter. There's not really a base color to it. As you can see right there, it's literally just glitter. So this is a very universal highlighter. You can use this if you're very dark. You can use this if you're very fair. This is just a very nice highlighter, and the glitter is like a very refined, fine glitter. It's not very chunky, so I think it looks really pretty, and that's why it's in this video. I also really have been enjoying the Wet n Wild highlighter, and this one is in the shade Awesome Blossom. It is super pretty. It is like the warmest gold highlighter. Oh my god, you can't even see that. It is just a very warm gold highlighter, as you can see right there. It has a really nice sheen to it, and I find that with Wet n Wild highlighters that I hadn't really found any that were my shade, so this is the first one that I think they've come out with that I think looks really beautiful on darker skinned. And if you're looking for a new highlighter, I'd say go with this. It's a beautiful warm highlighter. Another product from Wet n Wild I've been loving a lot this month is the eyeshadow palette in my Glamour Squad. A lot of people say this is a dupe for the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and that is a really beautiful palette. I do find these colors look very similar. I haven't tried out that palette, so I can't really say if they're like same exact formulation and pigmentation, but this palette on its own is a beautiful palette. The colors are really pigmented and really stand out, but they're also just so easy to blend, and it's just a great addition to my many Wet n Wild palettes. Plus it's affordable, so you can't go wrong. A new mascara that I've added to my collection this month is the Milani Highly Rated Mascara. It's the one I have in my eyes today. I don't know if you can see that. I have a lot of liner on today. But this mascara is really beautiful. It separates, it lengthens and volumes, and it's just like a really nice overall mascara. It does its job really well. A new brow gel, which I have added to my collection, and let's just take a moment, because we all know that I said I wasn't going to change when it comes to brow products, that I was going to stick with my NYX brow pencil and my L'Oreal brow plumper, but I ran out of that one and I couldn't find a backup, so I was using this one, which I actually got in the States. Hopefully I can find it here when I run out of this one, or else I'm going to try something else new. But anyways, this one is so good, and because it's clear, you really can't mess up. Like with the other one, because it had pigmentation, if I got it above my brow bone, I really had to make sure to clean it up. This one doesn't matter because it's clear. It makes it so much easier, and I really enjoy it. So this has been a really great addition to my collection. For eyeliners, the Milani eyeliner in black. This is their easy liner for eyes. It's a retractable pencil. I've been loving this one for a really long time. It's my basically go-to pencil eyeliner. I love that it's retractable. It's very, very pigmented. That's another thing I have on my eyes today. And it's just very creamy, so like when you put it on, you don't have to go back and forth a whole bunch of times and irritate your eyes. You just gotta do it once and it's on, and you can see it, and it looks great. A setting spray that I've been loving from e.l.f. is their Glowy Dew Mist. So this smells just like coconut, so it smells delicious. The packaging is so pretty, this light pink with the blue. It looks so pretty, and it makes you look so dewy. This setting spray is really great for when you want to just have all your powders sink into your skin. It's also great for refreshing your makeup throughout the day to give it some life again. And it just gives a really beautiful overall dewiness to the skin. I'm wearing it right now. As you can see, I'm looking very dewy, more dewy than I even thought I was going to look, because this spray is so good. And I didn't even use it over top of my face. I used it underneath my face, and it brings so much glow from like underneath the foundation, like a glow from within. It's just really great. And again, another super affordable product because it is from e.l.f. Now let's move on to the things that aren't makeup. First, something that removes your makeup, but it's not makeup, so counts as not makeup, is the Physicians Formula, the Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 Melting Cleansing Balm. So I have been looking for a cleansing balm for a long time, and as far as drugstore goes, I wasn't seeing a lot of options, but I was shopping in the States with Clarice and Mimi, and Clarice actually pointed this out to me, and I was like, okay, well, let me give it a try. And my gosh, is it super good. Like, it comes like this. It comes with a little like applicator to scoop out the product, and then it basically is a balm. So it's almost a similar texture to like a hair product, and you just scoop out a little bit, you rub it in your fingers, massage it all over your face, and it gets rid of everything from mascara to liquid lips. And the thing that I like the most about this is, one, I don't have to like use cotton pads and waste those. I don't have to use wet wipes and waste those. This, you don't need to use any extra things other than your fingers. And I like to use it in the shower, so you can actually keep this in your shower, rub it all over your face, rinse it off, and your makeup is just gone. It is gone. So it's great, and I would highly recommend cleansing balms if you want to like improve your footprint, your, oh my god, what is that thing called again? Eco footprint? Anyways, if you don't want to create extra waste, I would really highly recommend a cleansing balm, and I would really recommend the Physicians Formula one. I've really been wanting to get more into wearing sunscreen because, I'll be honest, I just don't. And I think it's just something that can really help keep your skin looking young and like being healthy inside and out, especially in those hot summer days, but I want to be able to use it year round. And I tried the Neutrogena water gel lotion, and this is their sunscreen with an SPF of 30. And I really love the Neutrogena Hydro Boost line, so I figured why not give this a try. And this sunscreen is amazing. First of all, it doesn't give you any of that weird purple white cast that most sunscreens give you. It doesn't have a, it doesn't smell that funky. Some of them do. It's also not like greasy, so like it really does soak into the skin. Feels like a moisturizer. It has a really nice consistency, and I really have been enjoying it, and I'm looking for it. I haven't been able to find it. I hate falling in love with products and then not being able to find them again, but maybe I'm not looking in the right place because it's not with all the other Hydro Boost line, so I'm hoping it's somewhere else hidden in Walmart or Shoppers because I really like it, and when I run out I want to buy another one. And then last but not least, I have some multivitamins. So these ones are my favorite. One, they taste good, so you know it's hard to stop after eating one or two, but you got it. It comes with 150 vitamins. This one is Vitalist Multivites, and these ones are the ones for adults. I believe they have one for females as well, some for kids, you know, the whole range. But I just like the standard ones the most. I honestly feel like I have more energy, and I don't know if it's a placebo effect or if it's from the vitamins themselves, but either way, it's working for me. And I really like this. And that actually brings us to the end of this favorites video. This was a really quick one. Like, I'm at 11 minutes and I haven't even edited it yet, so it's gonna be shorter than that. But anyways guys, let me know what your favorite products that you use this month in the comments below. Like this video if you want to see more favorites in the future, and subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday. I will see you guys next time. Until then, bye!